Hi everyone, this is Nina and welcome to Inside Stories. For today's episode, I'll be sharing with you my collection of common and semi-rare aglaonemas. And hoping na matulungan nyo rin akong i-identify ang pangalan ng bawat isa. Please comment down below as I show each of these aglos. Our first aglaonema is a pink lipstick. Medyo maliit yung size ng kanyang mga dahon na color green with a mix of light yellow. Kulay pink yung edges ng kanyang mga dahon, pati yung kanyang stem and its petioles. Mapapansin niyo rin yung mga pantay-pantay na line pattern sa kanyang mga dahon. Next plant is called Big Roy, and please correct me if I'm wrong. Nilagay ko muna siya sa isang maliit na pot pero medyo lumalaki na rin ang kanyang mga dahon na color red-orange with splashes of green and yellow, and it has a new leaf already. Very common sa mga aglos yung parang napupunit ang kanilang mga dahon like this one. Now let's proceed. Do you think this is another Big Roy? Please comment down below. The only difference is that mas maraming portion ng aglo na ito na yellow color compared to the other one, and it has a mix of green and light pink. Ito naman yung tinatawag nilang Snow White. Sobrang ganda nito lalo na kapag lush na ang kanyang mga dahon. It has a combination of dark green and white colors. Moving on with our next aglo, so this is red lipstick. Kulay red ang pinakagitnang part and pati na rin yung gilid ng kanyang mga dahon. Mapapansin din yung pagka-light pink sa kanyang mga stems. And by the way, this is also known as Siam Aurora or Red Siam. This pretty and pink aglaonema is called pink cochin or pink cochin. It's one of my first aglaonemas and I find it really attractive, especially kapag tumitingkad yung pagka-pink ng kanyang mga dahon. I'm not sure if this aglaonema is White Angel, so if you're familiar with this, please let me know. If you will notice, some leaves have white colors. Parang ganito yung mga bagong dahon niya, while the old ones, parang may mix siya ng light green, light silver, and dark green. According to the seller and based on the internet, this aglo is called heng heng. Meron siyang splashes of pink, light yellow, and green sa kanyang mga dahon. Here's another one. Maybe alam niyo po ang ID or name of this aglo. Hindi rin kasi ako sure kung sparkling Sarah siya or butterfly, or maybe meron siyang ibang pangalan. And I have another pot na medyo kahawig din niya but I'm not sure if they are the same. Our next aglo is red unyamani or red anyamani. Kulay red na medyo rounded and heart-shaped ang kanyang mga dahon with splashes of dark green. Aglaonemas are slow growers. I bought this red anyamani 3 months ago, but still kung mapapansin nyo, hindi pa rin siya ganun kalaki. This is Rose. It has large leaves that are dappled with multiple shades of green, yellow, and light pink. Medyo matigas ang kanyang mga dahon compared to other aglos. Next is Silver King. Isa ito sa madaling alagaan na aglo at kaya niyang mag-survive sa poor lighting and low ventilation area. Payat na pahaba ang kanyang mga dahon na may kulay na parang silver na may halong dark green. This next Aglaonema is known as Pink Dalmatian. It produces beautiful pink spots on its leaves kaya tinawag siyang Pink Dalmatian. Ganito ang itsura ng kanyang bulaklak. Maybe you can help me with the name of this aglo. It's one of the common Aglaonemas, but it's also eye-catching dahil sa leaf patterns niya. Kulay white yung edge ng kanyang mga dahon, pati yung kanyang stem. If you also know the name of this plant, I'll be happy to read your comments. Ang ganda rin ng aglo na to, so if you know the name of this aglo, please comment down below. Next, we have boxing. Yung iba tinatawag itong boxer. This variety of aglo has big round-shaped leaves. Kulay pink yung midrib ng dahon niya as well as yung mga veins. This is quite confusing. Kahawig ng aglo na to ang pink lipstick. O pareho lang ba sila? Magkapareho kasi sila na pink ang gilid ng mga dahon at ang stem nila. So let's compare. Please let me know kung ibang variety ito. This is one of aglo collectors' favorites, the Suksom Jaipong. Eye-catching ang kulay niya na pure red at mayroon siyang kulay na green sa edge ng kanyang mga dahon. Isa rin ito sa mga medyo pricey na aglos. And that completes my Aglaonema collection. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next vlog.